Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this flawless bridal look. Guys, look at how gorgeous my bride looks. So if you would like to see how you can recreate this, then stick with me to the end of this video. Meet my bride. Her name is Bella, and as you all can see that she's pretty excited today. Yeah, and to start the makeup process, I like to prep my bride's skin and make it very hydrated. What this does is that it makes the skin plump and will allow makeup to sit properly on it. So for hydration, I went in with the Mario Badescu facial mist and following it up with a face serum. You want to gently massage this into the skin and allow it to set in for a few seconds before going on with the makeup. Going straight to the brows, I'm using the LA Girl Slim Shady Pencil to make an outline on her brows. Very light strokes is all you need, and ensure you blend in the brow product very well. To define her brows, I'm using a concealer mix, and you want to properly blend that in as well. After that is the eyeshadow base, which you want to also ensure that you blend seamlessly. Guys, like I always say, when it comes to makeup, blending is key. You have to put in the hard work to blend so that the whole application is just effortless. Going into the eyeshadow, I'm using a light brown eyeshadow as my transition color and following it up with a darker brown shade, which I am placing at the outer part of her eyes. Blend, 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 guys. Blend, keep blending till you are satisfied. You can go back into the colors if you think you need more, but please ensure that you blend them in properly. For the lid, I'll be using a light peachy shade, and I'm just going to blend that into the colors I initially applied so that everything just sits well together. For her face, I went in with the TM Essential Hydrating Glow Mist. I allowed that to dry a bit and followed it up with the Milani 2-in-1 foundation. I am buffing the foundation into her skin using the Real Technique foundation brush and following it up with a beauty sponge to blend it even more. Next is the concealer, which I'm applying at the high point of her face and then using the beauty sponge to blend everything in. A tip to note is to tell your client to look up so that it will be easier to blend their under eye area. It usually works. I just tell my client to look up or look at the ceiling or look for something that will attract them, and I just tell them to focus on that, and that way I have enough room to blend in the under eye area. Now to set the concealer, I'm using the Revolution Pro setting powder, and you want to apply it on the part of the face you initially highlighted, the place where light will naturally fall. To contour her face so it is not flat, I'm going in with the Zoeva contour palette, and you want to do this in circular motion. With the Revolution Pro Brow Tint, I'm touching up her brows to make them lighter and more natural. Combining two highlighters, I'm applying those to the high point of her face, places where light will naturally hit. Ensure that it is well blended in order to avoid any harsh highlight. You don't want your bride to have harsh lines on her face, so just ensure that you blend in the highlight really well and be considerate with the amount of highlight you apply, because you want your bride to look, flawless, natural and beautiful on her big day. To finish up the eyes, I'm going in with the dark brown shade, and I am smudging that brown shade below her waterline. Again, you want to use the trick I mentioned earlier. Tell your clients to look up, as that gives you allowance to properly smudge in the eyeshadow. I also have a tissue paper on my hands, which is what I use to clean out any excess product that I don't want on my brush. For the lips, I'm using the LA Girl lip pencil to line her lips and going in with my Primark lipstick to fill her lips. So I thought to make the lip color even more subtle, and I went in with a light lipstick shade to make the lip color lighter. And to finish up the look, I just do the final spray, and that's it, guys. Fam meet HMD. She's a fashion designer and she styled this beautiful bridal robe. And guys, don't you agree that it is stunning? Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And this is the final look, guys. She made an absolutely beautiful bride. She made a gorgeous bride. I have also included some of her pictures at the end of this video, so please be patient so that you will get to see them. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Please don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video. Leave your comments in the comment section below and let me know what you think about the whole look. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Enjoy the pictures, darling. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.